I'm going to make some oatmeal pup bars. What they are kind of like fiber bars, but we're going to use oatmeal. And the type of oatmeal, I have 4 cups of oatmeal here. The type of oatmeal this is the old-fashioned oatmeal. You can also use the quick oats. Doesn't really matter. Those are the 2 that I recommend. But this is old-fashioned. The other things that you're going to want to need is applesauce, original applesauce, molasses, honey, wheat germ, and organic or extra virgin coconut oil. And you also need some hot water. If you want to kind of grind up some dog food to put in this instead of the wheat germ, that's fine. Or if you want to use both, that's fine. What the wheat germ is, it's supposed to help your dogs gain weight a little bit. So I just add that in there. And wheat germ is pretty hard to find. So just throwing that out there. Now, I'm going to take my hot water and I'm going to pour it in the 4 cups of oatmeal that I already measured out. So pour it in that. Make sure it's not too hot that it's going to melt your bowl. So I'm going to pour mine a little bit at a time. And I need something to set this on. And I'm just going to use a regular spoon for now and just stir it. And make sure you get water in there. Make sure you put enough water that all the oatmeal is wet. You don't want runny oatmeal. You want kind of all of it to kind of stick. But you don't want none to be like uncooked, I guess you can say. So I need to add a little bit more water. I think that will be enough. Let me just slide this. I'll set my water on that. Okay. Now when I get this all mixed in, I'm going to add, while it's still hot, I'm going to add my coconut oil. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Okay. And you will get kind of oatmeal all over you. So, 2 tablespoons of, my spoon. This is nothing but the dog's jar, so it's fine. 2 tablespoons. You want to mix that in until it's melted. Make sure it's all melted because you don't want your dog to bite in a hunk of coconut oil. Okay, so that's all in there. Now I'm going to add some wheat germ. I'm just going to add a little bit. I'm not even going to measure. I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit in there. And then I'm going to add, I need another spoon for that. I'm going to add the applesauce now. So I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of original applesauce. I'll just put that there. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of molasses. And 1 tablespoon of honey. That was actually a little bit more than 1 tablespoon, but that's fine. Okay, and then you stir that, or mix it very, very well. What we're going to do next. I have it all mixed, and here it is. You can use several different pans. I'm going to make mine very thin, so I'm going to use this big pan. You can make yours thick and use a small pan, or you can make, this is a brownie pan that you can use as well. I'm just going to use the big pan. What you need to spray the bottom of your pan. And I forgot to get that out of the cabinet. Where's it? Okay. You got to spray the bottom of your pan so it don't stick. Just make sure it's really good, and this one's going out. Make sure you get the corners. This one's like completely off. Oh, okay. Anyway, spray the bottom of your pan. Preheat your oven to 350. And then what you want to do is dump this in there. Dump all your oatmeal mixture. Oh, you can see where I didn't mix it that well, but it's okay. Kind of scrape the bowl and get it all in there. Now you might have to get your hands dirty, so I'm going to take off my rings. You're going to want to smush this flat. And it's still kind of hot, so I'm going to try my best to use a spoon. There we go. And this is what it will look like. You're going to let them cook until they get hardened. Not completely hard. You want the bottom to be kind of hard and the top to be hard. And the middle will be chewy. They'll easily break apart, but not that easy. And there you go. There's your oatmeal pup squares. What you can do, you can dip the bottoms of them in melt some peanut butter, dip the bottoms in there, and you can also drizzle honey on top of these, so you can just add a little bit of more flavor to them, kind of decorate them as well. But there you go, there is the oatmeal pup bars. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.